Assalamu alaikum. This video is regarding the information about the internship and practical training program being conducted at Department of Software Engineering for the completion of BSE Software Engineering. And this video will provide you with certain guidelines that you have to implement in your internship and practical training program. So there are some specific rules about the internship specified by the university, and you should abide by those rules to complete your internship more efficaciously. Then there will be some information about the internship process, that how you have to submit your reports and completion forms. And finally, there will be some explanations about the internship report evaluation criteria. So you must be well aware that internship or practical training program is compulsory for all professional degree programs, including BSE software engineering. So first thing applies that every student has to complete industrial or organizational internship or practical training. Internships can be completed at organizations, industries, or software houses. So you can complete this internship at any relevant organization which is related to computer science, information technology, and software houses. There is no condition that the organizations or industries or software houses must be registered by any regulatory bodies such as Pakistan Software Engineering Board or Pakistan Engineering Council. So you can do your internship at any organization, just you have to meet the criteria that the organization, industry, or software house is working in the field of computer science. So you have to submit an internship or practical training report of around 10 to 20 pages of text, and it should be printed on A4 size page in normal font size of 12 to the department, along with an oral presentation about the outcome of your internship. Additionally, internship and practical training program must be conducted after the final semester. That means after the last examination of your 8th semester. In this case, for example, if your exam was on the 4th of October, you can start your internship from 5th of October 2020. And you have to do minimum 6 to 8 weeks internship program to qualify for the internship evaluation. Internship or practical training program will be evaluated on the satisfactory or unsatisfactory basis, on the basis of certificate from your organization of your internship or practical training. So student must repeat the internship or practical training in case of unsatisfactory report from the organization. The number of chances for passing training are open until you get the satisfactory grade in the internship or practical training. So I will be sharing with you internship and practical training report format, which you have to submit at the end or at the completion of your internship. Additionally, there will be a internship report completion form which will be also provided along with the internship report format, and there will be a feedback form which you have to submit after the verification from the your from your prospective employer. So here is a simple mechanism that internship or practical training program process at the Department of the Software Engineering. As you must be well aware that you make the internship request at the start of the process. and then internship letters are issued to your desired organization. And at the organization, you have to complete minimum 6 to 8 weeks of training, and then you have to acquire completion certificate from your employer along with the feedback of provided on a specified feedback form. So these two documents, completion form along with the report and feedback form, is submitted back to the department, which is evaluated by the departmental internship committee and a faculty member. And in case you get the satisfactory, uh, if you meet the satisfactory requirement, your internship is complete and you can apply for the transcript and further on for your degree. However, if your internship is unsatisfactory, you have to submit again the internship report. So there are some important forms that you have to submit to the department, and first one is the internship completion form. It is a very simple form that you have to submit in the department. It contains your name, your registration number, internship area. It can be software development, it can be software testing or design or maintenance, or any other related area of your choice. Important information to provide here is the company name, address of the company, and the direct supervisor who is managing your task at the industry or organization. Then you have to provide the contact details of your company along with its phone number, email, and a faculty supervisor name from the department. So internship completion form initially requires a student to submit that he or she has completed the work experience and all the information presented in the internship report is true and there is no malafiding. So you have to confirm at the internship completion form by starting with your signature on a specified date. And after filling the information from the previous slide and by signing here, then you have to uh, then you have to get it signed from your company supervisor or industry supervisor, the manager of the company under which you are working in any of the organization. So you have to get it signed from the industry advisor along with the date, and then you have to submit it to the department. The department have an internship committee along with the faculty supervisor which will assess the outcome of your internship. And in case your internship is satisfactory, you can move forward with other processes at the department. So here is the internship report evaluation criteria which you have to meet to get the satisfactory at your internship report or internship program. So as I have specified earlier that you have to submit about 10 to 20 pages of the report, and each of the section the report is clearly explained in the report format which I will share with you through email. So you have to read it carefully before writing and submitting it to department. So initially your report should have a better quality, that it should have correct spelling, grammar, organization, and precision in the writing. So your writing should be to the point and there should be no irrelevant information along with the formatting and the templating specified by the report format. Then you have to provide an executive summary, and it should take about half page to maximum of 1 page, and it provides an overall top view that what you have done in your internship program. It is a complete overview of your program, your organization, the task you have done at the internship. Then you have to spend about 1 to 2 pages about the company and its or organization, information about the company and what types of work they are doing there. And then you have to spend about 3 to 6 pages or even more if you have been assigned more tasks. So you have to indicate what you are assigned and how you completed your task. So you have to clearly indicate what are how did you plan to achieve those tasks and what training was provided or required to meet those tasks. Then you have to spend about 2 to 4 pages of writing about the internship program in a way of reflective portfolio. So reflective portfolio is about describing, interpreting, and evaluating the internship or the task you do at the industry. And then you have to write about 1 pages about the value of your internship, that the techniques and tools you have learned and what skills you have gained through the internship programs. And then you have to write something about uh, improvement or problems in the internship program and what solution you should suggest that can help to ameliorate the situation in betterment of the department's industrial linkages and internship program. And finally, you have to provide the internship feedback survey, which will be provided through email separately, that you have to fill from your prospective employer. And there is only one condition for it, that it should be complete and it should be authentic. So this internship report evaluation criteria will be used by an internal faculty supervisor and internship committee to decide the outcome of your internship as satisfactory or unsatisfactory. The evaluation will be carried out only in line with the internship rules of the university, which was provided at the initial slide. So you have to go through the rule once again. So the following items will be shared with you. The first file will contain the internship report, guidelines and template. So that means you have to follow same template, same file, same formatting and document standards. It will also include a co-certificate, internship completion form and report evaluation criteria, which you have to submit and fulfill as specified in the previous slides. And the second file will be internship feedback form, and it must be filled and signed by the industry advisor. Therefore, I believe it is enough information for you to carry out your internship. And if you have any further questions, you can ask me directly through email. Thank you very much.